How to apply for an AdSense account. Whether you are only recently started a business online or have been going for a while, Google AdSense is the most popular ad network around and the best way to start monetizing your traffic with display ads. This ad network offers a wide range of ad units for multiple platforms and devices and includes optimization tools. You don't want to apply for an AdSense account only to be rejected because you did not follow the instruction correctly or adhere to their policies. In this guide, we will show you how to apply for an account in 2000 and beyond, step by step, and get accepted. Requirement: Google is very serious about the quality of their ad network. They are very strict about the requirement, rules, and regulations you need to follow. Below are the requirements you need to adhere to before signing up to AdSense. You need to be at least 18 years old. You need to have an active Gmail account that is not linked to an AdSense account. You need to have a website, and that website needs to meet all of Google's terms of services. Pro tips from Monetize More. Although the following tips are not written in stone, we believe that they will improve your change of getting accepted by AdSense. Your website should be at least 3 months old. You should have at least 30 articles published that are unique and valuable to reader. There is no minimum traffic amount that you should have, however, the more the better. How does payment work? There is a minimum threshold of $1,000 that you need to earn in ad revenue before you can get paid. Also keep in mind that Google follow a net 30 payment term. As an example, when you earn and ad revenue during September, your revenue will be sent out you in the first week of November, 30 days after the billable month is over. Step by step how to apply for AdSense account. On the same page, click on sign in and you will get directed to a page where you need to sign into your Gmail account. After entering your email address and password, click on the next button. Next, you will be directed to a page that gives you the follow message as shown in the screenshot below. Click on sign up and sign up for your AdSense account. Now you will need to enter all your details, which include your website and email address. You can also option in for customize help and performance suggestion from AdSense. Your screen will look something like this. On the next page, you will receive instructions that will enable you to connect your website to AdSense. AdSense will provide you with a snippet of code that you need to add to your site within the head section. They will also give you specific instruction on how to do so when you have a WordPress site. Once you have inserted the code on your site, click the submit button. Now your website is ready for the Google AdSense team to review. Be sure to keep the snippet of code live on your site until AdSense responds. Sometimes it takes a few days or up to 2 weeks for the AdSense team to get back to you. Once you start generating some traffic, be sure to check our Google AdSense course and find out how to optimize your ad like the pros. How to log into Google AdSense. Once your account is approved and you can start generating money with ads, it's a great feeling. However, more often than not, people struggle to find or the Google AdSense login page. It's real simple. Just go to the same URL you visited to register an account.